Some celebrities buy luxury cars and leave them stock, but others, they treat their garages like a Fast and Furious movie set. We're talking jet fighter interiors, gold-wrapped Lambos, carbon fiber everything, and engines that sound like they could launch a space shuttle. In this video, we're diving into the wildest, weirdest, and most outrageously modified cars owned by celebrities. From million-dollar body kits to engine swaps that make no sense at all, these rides are anything but subtle. Let's check out the celebrities who took their stock cars and cranked the volume to Are You Serious? First up, we have Chris Brown, the automotive chameleon. When he's not performing or painting murals, Chris Brown is out here customizing cars like a mad scientist with a spray gun. His garage, think wild wraps, Lamborghini doors on everything, and rims bigger than your future. Let's talk about his Lamborghini Aventador, which he turned into a fighter jet-themed monster. Yellow-tinted headlights, airplane-style warning decals, and bright red brake calipers that look like they came off a stealth bomber. The side profile even features custom graphic stenciling, giving the car an aggressive military vibe, while the custom quad exhaust makes it sound like a jet engine every time he hits the throttle. And then there's his iconic Tupac Lamborghini Gallardo, which is equal parts tribute and street art. Wrapped in a collage of iconic Tupac Shakur images, the design features lyrics from his most legendary songs, graffiti-style fonts, and a West Coast-themed mural spanning both doors. The interior was also customized with leather seats embroidered with Tupac's name, and gold accents to give it that true Cali royalty vibe. It's not just a car, it's a cultural statement on wheels. And just when you think it can't get any crazier, he drops a Rezvani tank, a military-style SUV with bulletproof armor, thermal night vision, and a 700-horsepower engine. The exterior looks like it belongs in a dystopian sci-fi movie with angular armor plating, reinforced bumpers, and a grille that could intimidate a T-Rex. Inside, it's fitted with high-tech controls, luxury leather, and even an intercom system. Because when you're driving a tank, you may as well feel like you're commanding one. Speaking of pushing boundaries, let's move over to Travis Scott. You knew Travis Scott was going to be on this list. He doesn't just drive, he curates. Let's start with his brown Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Yes, brown, like espresso with carbon fiber whipped cream. But it's not just the color. Travis added forged carbon aero parts, lowered suspension, and custom cactus jack badging. It's one part art installation, one part I want to flex at midnight. He didn't stop at visuals either. The exhaust was tuned for a throatier roar, and the wheels are wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires, giving it track-level grip. The interior features rich mocha leather with embroidered flame details and hidden Easter eggs referencing his albums. It's the kind of car you valet at a fashion show and leave the door open just so people have to look inside. He also has a Mercedes Maybach G650 Landaulet, one of only 99 ever made. Travis had it wrapped in a custom matte brown finish to match his signature earthy aesthetic. This ultra-rare G-Wagon features a powerful V12 engine, a convertible soft-top rear section, fully reclining rear seats, and even a built-in champagne fridge, making it equal parts off-road beast and private jet. He reportedly sourced it through exotic car dealer Obi Okiki, aka Dr. Bugatti, and it's rumored to have cost him around $1.6 million. Bonus points. His Ferrari LaFerrari, fully blacked out, stealth mode activated, with a custom interior that says, "Yes, I'm rich, I don't need to prove it, but I still will." Next up, let's check out Justin Bieber's wild evolution from chrome wraps to futuristic builds. Once upon a time, Justin Bieber had a Fisker Karma wrapped in chrome so shiny it could blind you at a stoplight. But he's grown up, and so have his mods. His current collection includes a Liberty Walk Ferrari 458, which means huge over-fenders, a slammed stance, and a body kit that looks like it came from Tokyo Drift. The car is wrapped in a frozen blue chrome that basically turns every street into a photo shoot. It rides on massive custom 20-inch Forgiatos 10 ECL 3-piece wheels that look like they came straight out of a Need for Speed loading screen. Under the hood, it's still all Ferrari, but inside, it's rocking a 2,000-watt sound system with a 10-inch sub and custom MB Quart speakers that'll shake your soul before you hit 60 miles per hour. The factory interior was completely reworked to Bieber's own specs, giving it that one-of-a-kind celebrity signature. Oh, and the car did get into a fender bender back in 2014, but let's be honest, that only adds to its wild backstory. But the real showstopper? His custom Rolls-Royce Wraith, redesigned by West Coast Customs to look like a car from the future. Literally. It's called the Urbane Ghost, and it took over 3 years to build. Inspired by the Rolls-Royce 103EX Vision 100 concept, this one-of-a-kind creation features a completely overhauled exterior with concealed wheels that make it appear to float down the road. The front end boasts a smaller grille, unique air intakes, and futuristic headlights, while the sides are adorned with custom wheel arches and quarter panels. Even the traditional wing mirrors were replaced with tiny cameras embedded in the front wheel arches. Inside, the luxury continues with custom leather upholstery matching the exterior and a professionally tuned audio system, complete with amplifiers housed in a slide-out section in the trunk. Under the hood, it retains the formidable 6.6-liter V12 engine, delivering 624 horsepower. This masterpiece reportedly cost around $330,000 to build, and it's safe to say that Bieber's ride is truly one of a kind. The front of the car doesn't even look like a Rolls anymore. It's more spaceship than sedan. Whether it's a wide-body Ferrari, a spaceship like Rolls, or a retrofitted Batmobile, Bieber's collection proves one thing: the guy knows how to make a statement with 4 wheels. His garage isn't just full of cars, it's full of personality, precision, and pure pop star power. Now, if you think Bieber's garage is impressive, wait until you see what Post Malone's been cooking up. He's the rock star with a ridiculously cool garage. You'd expect Post Malone to have a wild mix of cars, and he absolutely delivers, but not in the ways you'd think. His collection swings from hypercars to throwback SUVs and everything in between, all customized with a flair that screams, "Posty was here." Let's take a spin through the garage of the genre-hopping, Crocs-wearing superstar. His all-white Bugatti Chiron isn't just rare, it's nearly one of one and fully customized with white wheels, white interior, and white accents, which is exactly what you'd expect from someone who wears Crocs with confidence. Malone's Chiron is a blend of hypercar performance and minimalist luxury. He loaded it up with options like 64,000 character wheels, $38,000 worth of silver mesh for the grille and rear, and a $10,900 aluminum center console inlay that feels more spaceship than car. Add to that $6,400 black brake calipers and $32,000 comfort seats, and you've got a Chiron that's basically been to a luxury spa. A few years later, he ended up selling it for a cool $3.5 million. Not bad for a hypercar with rockstar vibes and premium upgrades. Next up, his Hennessy VelociRaptor 6x6, which takes Ford's already beastly Raptor pickup and turns it into a monster fit for a Mad Max reboot. This 6-wheeled powerhouse cranks out 600-plus horsepower thanks to a twin-turbocharged V6 and features upgraded suspension, massive off-road tires, and a fortified bed that looks ready to haul a private jet. With widened fender flares, steel bumpers, and a custom light bar, it's part luxury, part apocalypse prep. The interior is decked out in Hennessy badging and custom leather, making sure you feel like a VIP even when you're climbing dunes or just flexing on Rodeo Drive. And perhaps the most unexpected star of his garage, this one's got straight-up retro vibes. His 1992 Ford Explorer looks like it came from a 90s sitcom until you take a closer look. What started as a $1,700 Craigslist find got the West Coast Customs treatment and turned into a $75,000 head turner. Outfitted with Lamborghini-style butterfly doors, custom paint, and massive 26-inch spinner rims, it's anything but your average throwback SUV. Dubbed his Texas Slab, it's a rolling tribute to his Dallas roots and proof that with enough creativity, even an old Ford can steal the show. And then there's his Rolls-Royce Cullinan black badge, which proves Post can flex just as hard in luxury mode. Customized with a NASCAR-inspired black and yellow livery, complete with his racing number 77 and sponsor decals. This Cullinan is part luxury SUV, part race day statement. He even showcased it in his Motley Crue music video, whipping it around the Auto Club Speedway alongside real stock cars. Whether it's a Bugatti that belongs in an art gallery or an Explorer pulled straight out of the 90s, Post Malone's car collection proves there's no limit to how cool, creative, and chaotic one garage can be. Switching gears, quite literally, let's cruise into Kim Kardashian's perfectly curated monochromatic empire. Surprised? Don't be. Kim doesn't just buy cars, she curates them like they're part of a fashion shoot. Her entire fleet is color-matched in matte gray and beige tones to match her house, her clothes, and probably her Wi-Fi password. We're talking a gray Lamborghini Urus, a gray Rolls-Royce Ghost, and a gray Maybach GLS 600. All customized by Platinum Motorsport in LA. Her latest addition is the Tesla Cybertruck, also custom painted a ghost gray shade, a rare choice given the challenges of painting stainless steel. Equipped with 26-inch Forgiatos Cactus Jack wheels by Travis Scott, this vehicle aligns with her monochromatic theme while showcasing her penchant for innovation. And while she may not be drifting through downtown LA, she's redefining what custom looks like. Not louder, not faster, just perfectly curated minimalism. And finally, let's end with a guy who turned trolling into an art form, Deadmau5, the meme machine. Yes, even EDM legends get wild with cars. Deadmau5 isn't just spinning beats, he's spinning heads with some of the most meme-worthy supercar raps ever. Let's start with the infamous Ferrari 458 Italia Purrari, wrapped in a full neon cat livery, rainbow pixel trails, cat decals, and all. It was hilarious, internet gold. But Ferrari wasn't amused. They issued a cease and desist demanding he remove the wrap and custom badges. But Deadmau5 wasn't about to back down. He fired back with the Lamborghini Purracan, a Lamborghini Huracan wrapped in an even more outrageous neon cat theme, complete with neon pixel graphics and custom Purracan branding. If the Purrari was the meme, the Purracan was the punchline. It wasn't just for laughs, though. Deadmau5 is a legit gearhead. He mods everything from McLarens to track cars, and once live-streamed building his own arcade system in the trunk of a supercar. So, who wins the custom crown? These celebrities didn't just buy cars, they transformed them into rolling works of art, weapons, or full-on ego statements on wheels. From Chris Brown's urban assault vehicles to Post Malone's rockstar garage builds, these aren't just modifications, they're manifestations of personality, wealth, and pure because I can energy. Drop a comment. Which one of these insane custom rides would you want to drive for a day? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insane celebrity car collections. See you next time, gearheads!